Welcome back to JRF Mechanical, and today I'm working on the the trimmer for bushes and maybe little tiny branches. So this is the one I've got. Here's the new one from Amazon. You're going to want to pay attention to where this lever at, the fuel line, the little primer, and the throttle, which is there. And you'll see your identical one here. So you'll want to get yourself a 532, which seems to fit pretty good, and you'll want to undo it right here on the side of the carburetor. May not be able to see it very well, and it's the same one to take out the two screws here for the bottom of the fuel tank, which is these screws here. And in that kit will be the spark plugs, new fuel, your gasket, the filter, and the in-tank filter. So hopefully this just gives you a little idea of what you're running up against. This one here, the fuel lines were getting brittle, and you couldn't prime it. And then the other thing is, this got a crack in it. See that? Kind of a crack right there. And so as you're priming, you couldn't get any fuel pressure to build up. So this is why we're changing out this, changing out that. There's a spare one it came with, and changing the lines. But hopefully this will help you, give you an idea how to do it. And replacing it with the Allen wrench, I'll just replace your gasket right there. And there might be one here, but most likely right there. And this is how you get your identical. And the part number, hopefully that might come up, but right here. So that'll help you out as well. Okay, well, and then that just takes a fill up to take off your filter, which is right here on this side. Okay, hope that helps out. Thanks for watching, and this is just a quick short video on replacing your carburetor on this Poulan trimmer. Thanks.